Welcome to HHHunt Homes. Building your dream home is an exciting journey, and we're so honored to be a part of it. At HHHunt, quality is the cornerstone of everything we do, from innovative designs to the finest craftsmanship. In this series, you'll meet some incredible professionals who bring your home to life, showcasing the 5 key ways we define quality. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Michael, an architect here at HHHunt Homes. Designing homes isn't just about creating a structure, it's about crafting spaces where memories are made. We take pride in designing floor plans that fit your lifestyle, whether you're entertaining friends, working from home, or enjoying quiet moments together. Our process begins with understanding your vision. We research local trends, listen to feedback, and use cutting-edge design tools to bring your ideas to life. By balancing form and function, we create homes that are both visually stunning and incredibly practical. What sets us apart is our adaptability. We're always refining our designs to meet the unique needs of every community and homeowner. We're excited to be part of a team that transforms dreams into homes.
Hi, I'm Brent, and I'm a construction manager at HHHunt Homes. Did you know that every homeowner has their own dedicated construction manager? Our role is to guide you through the entire building process, ensuring your home is everything you envisioned. From the start, we'll meet with you to discuss the timeline, address your questions, and explain every step of the process. Throughout construction, we'll oversee each detail, ensuring the highest standards of craftsmanship are met. You'll also have access to your personalized homeowner portal, where you can track progress, view updates, and communicate with us directly. What makes this process truly special is the relationship we build along the way. We are not just here to oversee construction. We're here to advocate for you and make sure your dream home becomes a reality.
Hi, I'm Jeremy, and I oversee our trade partners with local subcontractors and national manufacturers at HHHunt Homes. Building a home is a team effort, and we're proud to work with the best in the industry. Our subcontractors aren't just contractors, they're trade partners we've collaborated with for years. These relationships allow us to maintain the highest standards of quality and consistency. Every trade partner we work with shares in our commitment to excellence, from electricians to roofers and everyone in between. We also hold regular feedback sessions to ensure we're always improving. This collaborative approach ensures that every aspect of your home, visible and behind the scenes, meets our rigorous expectations. With partners who care as much as we do, we're able to deliver homes that are built to last.
Hi, I'm Justin, and I lead the quality control efforts here at HHHunt Homes. Our commitment to quality goes far beyond what you see on the surface. We've developed a comprehensive inspection process to ensure every detail is perfect, from the initial framing to the finishing touches. Each stage of construction undergoes meticulous checks, and we address any issues immediately to ensure the highest level of craftsmanship. Our dedication doesn't stop there. We conduct a 200-point final inspection with a third-party specialist before you move in. This guarantees that your home meets our high standards for durability, safety, and beauty. Even after you've settled in, we follow up with periodic check-ins to make sure everything is running smoothly. At HHHunt, providing quality products and services isn't just a process, it's our promise to you.
Hi, I'm Marion, and I'm here to support you long after you move into your new HHHunt home. We've partnered with PwC, and the 10-year new warranty we offer is one of the most comprehensive in the industry, giving you peace of mind from day one. Here's how it works. During the first year, we cover most aspects of your home, from the roof to the HVAC system. In the second year, we focus on major systems like plumbing and electrical. And for 10 years, your home is protected against structural defects. To ensure everything stays in top shape, we schedule 2 warranty appointments during your first year, one at a 60-day and another at 11 months. This allows us to address any issues and make sure you're completely satisfied. At HHHunt, we don't just build homes, we build lasting relationships with our homeowners.
Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover what makes HHHunt Homes unique. From our architectural expertise to our rigorous quality control and warranty program, every step of our process is designed with you in mind. We're here to make your home building experience seamless, enjoyable, and rewarding. Ready to take the next step? Contact us today and let's start building your dream home together. At HHHunt, it's how you live that matters.